Scott86's Monster Mash!
We're going to talk about Generation.
Yeah, man, it gets a lot of hate, man, but I like it, man. I like, obviously, I don't think it's top 3 here.
Yeah,
but I mean, Matthew McConaughey's fucking great at it.
Yeah, I'm going to get there. Alright, so what's up, you guys? This is Scott86 with my boy Ed Head here, and we're going to just talk a little about Texas Chainsaw Massacre, the franchise as a whole, I guess. Except for we're starting from Generation and going on. It's so fucking, like, over the top, and, like...
The leg thing, man. I mean, everything, the whole character's over the top.
Yeah. I wish they would have given him an award for it. Academy Award.
He his own movie about what he did before these kids rolled onto the lot.
Yeah, oh man. It's your standard horror flick. They got, like, the teenagers, you know. I feel like I kind of hate it now, but, like, it's good for, like, certain reasons, I guess. Like,
for sure.
You got Renee Zellweger and fucking Matthew McConaughey in the same movie. You know,
very early in their career.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. So, I mean, I'll give it that, but, like...
It wasn't like they were casting big names, you know what I mean? Like, their names became bigger after they had shot this movie, not because of this movie. So it's not like they were, like... It's not like the movie company was, like, reaching out trying to grab stars to make a movie.
Yeah, it's just, obviously...
It just aligned in a way that 2 household names later on in life worked out in this one, you know?
Yeah, because obviously none other people are doing anything anymore.
Yeah.
You know, say probably, you know, so... I like the movie. I feel like I liked it a lot more when I was a kid, you know what I'm saying? Or when it first came out.
I think that the cornier Jason movies, like the Manhattan one and X-Max, even though I like things about it, I think that Texas Chainsaw Massacre's corny movie is a better shot movie than those. You know what I mean? I enjoy watching those more than I...
Oh, yeah.
So I think in a sense that most of these franchises have a movie where they got kind of corny.
Yeah.
Well, not always, but the ones that do, I think this is among the better of the corny ones.
Most of them, though.
Yeah, for sure.
Texas Chainsaw Massacre, Next Generation, love it or hate it. It's I don't know. I feel like it kind of it's good, but then it's got its parts where it's just kind of really wacky.
For sure.
But what's after that? After Next Generation?
It's the first remake.
The first remake, Texas Chainsaw Massacre?
First remake.
Okay.
That one's high up for me, man. I like that one a lot.
Yeah, I do like that one a lot.
I like that one a lot.
If we're going to talk remakes out of all the remakes, yeah, that was the best one, I feel like.
Oh, Texas Chainsaw Massacre or in general? Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Like the
100%. It's the best of the remakes of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Because Beginning is that what it's called? Beginning?
Yeah, Beginning's the next one.
That one's badass.
I like that one too. You get to see a first chainsaw kill.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that shit was awesome. But, like, I just don't know how I feel about, what's one? The newest ones? Texas Chainsaw or something like that?
Yeah, and see, that one, definitely, that one and Next Generation are very similar to me, where I like them, but at the same time, there's cringeworthy moments.
Yeah.
For sure.
Like, at the end, isn't there, like, a one-liner at the end where she says something to him or something? She's about to kill him?
Here you go, cuz, or something like that?
She gives him the chainsaw.
And she's like, get him, cuz, or something like that.
Yeah, I remember that shit. I was like, oh, man, no. I can't believe they actually went there, you know what I'm saying?
I think that even that Texas Chainsaw Massacre is better than the remake of Nightmare on Elm Street.
Oh, yeah, everything's better than that.
So my point being that even I feel like even the weak points of Texas Chainsaw Massacre, when I think about other franchises, I'm almost like, well, it's better than that one that they did, you know?
Yeah, exactly.
I think that and Halloween are the most solid of the franchises where they're good movies, you know?
Yeah, I really like Friday the 13th remake, too.
That remake was a good one. 100%.
Through the axe.
Yeah.
He was trying to run away. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, no, when people were hating on him for running, man, I remember seeing the preview, and as soon as he, like, crow hopped towards somebody, I was like, oh.
Like Wolfman, too. That shit's good as well.
With Benicio del Toro?
Yeah, that was good. The remake of that was good. Yeah.
My favorite remakes probably in horror, I mean, number one will always be Night of the Living Dead.
That's amazing too. Okay, top 5 then. You know what I'm saying?
I think that's always going to be one. I'm not saying these in order, but I do think that one would be my first one.
Yeah,
but these aren't necessarily in order, but for sure, the top 5 remakes, though. The I Spit on Your Grave was fantastic. The remake of that one.
Oh, yeah, I didn't see that. I saw the original one. Didn't I tell you that? I haven't seen the remake yet or something.
Oh, you haven't? Yeah, that's a good watch. Then they started making like sequels to the remake, and it's got it's just like later Saw movies where it's
like an anthology kind of film.
It's like they like make these remakes, and all the sequels is just her doing more brutal killing. So it's like that's literally all you watch it for. It's not there for a real story.
Yeah.
But the remake was awesome.
Well, that's it for this episode, folks. I hope you guys enjoyed listening to us talk about the Texas Chainsaw Massacre and all its glory. But Scott86, Ed Hid, I'll see you guys on the next episode of Monster Mash.